हो व्हिडिओ पळयात.
हांव गाडी कितें तेका सांगू मरे
तू देव सांग मरे कोणी बसलो देव मरे देव मरे हा देवय ना उड्या वाजला आणि मार पडतो इतकी गॅरंटी दादा बाईक साइड मधला हांव येतलो देवाय का बेगीन
तो देवना न्ही रे आतां सांगितलं
तू
देव
देव,
नको हांव
तू
कितें
देव.
तेका सांग मरे
तू देव तू देव
हांवें बसयला तेका
देवय ना देवय ना
सर मातशी गाडी कितें फोडटा सर
मागीर तू देव म्हटलाय ना तुका
टॅक्सीतल्या टुरिस्टाक बरीच कास्तीक जाली. तो म्हणटा असले प्रकार गोंयाक बादतले, सीएमान लक्ष घालचे.
My name is Prithvi Tamareddy, resident of Hyderabad, and I was in Goa for a conference to attend at Grand Hyatt. And yesterday I happened to rent a car through Goa Miles, and Sadiq has come with his car, Hyundai i20, and he picked me up, and we just left the hotel. And outside the hotel, the other taxi drivers stopped the car, and they started arguing with the driver. Why did he come to the hotel, and why did he pick me up? They made a big fuss out of it, and also started beating the driver while I was sitting in the car. And I kept saying, as a customer, I'm already in the car, you need to let us go. But they did not let the car move, and they started beating the driver, and at one point they almost tried to beat me, and the driver had no option but to leave me and go. And also because of the fight that they had, I had to walk almost 1.5 kilometers to get the next taxi, because I didn't want to use the taxi service that these gundas are using. So I had to literally walk, and no buses, no taxis, nothing else available in that area. So I seriously want the government to do something about this, because as a customer and somebody visiting, as a tourist in fact, visiting and then not feeling safe is not a good thing for a tourist place like Goa.
to pick up guest from the Grand Hyatt. थिंग पावले थिंगा तर म्हाका आडयले पयले सांगलें की गोवा मागीर थिंग अलावड ना हॉटेलां रेस्टॉरंट हिंगा एअरपोर्ट आनी स्टेशन. सो म्हाका तेणें मागीर मुखार व्हरून रावयले गाडी मोदी दोली बायक आनी म्हाका गाडी ओपन करून थापले मारले म्हाका.
गोवा मायल्साच्या बाकीच्या टॅक्सीवाल्यांनी टॅक्सीवाल्यांचो दाबोळे विमानतळा भायर एकठांय जावन निशेध केलो.
Coastal zone is everywhere and Goinkars are spread everywhere. So whatever the CM says in 4 doors, in closed walls, you cannot come out and go ahead and misinterpret that story to benefit your people. You have to benefit everybody who's a Goan. We are educated, learned people. I am an engineer. Today I own a taxi business. I am proud to work for myself.
Very good.
Right? So
This incident happened yesterday. काल जाला तो incident. असले incident जायते जाल्या, even माझ्या वांगडाही झाला. Think this. हे पयली लॉजिकान घेया. हांव बाणावलेकार, हांव कोलवाकार, हांव काणकोणकार, हांव कलंगूटकार न्हू. ऑल गोवा टुरिस्ट तुज्यान खंय बिझनेस करपाक जाता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.